In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a scenario in make.com. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to scenarios over here on the left inside your dashboard. And then as you can see, if you don't have any, it's going to look like this. But if you do, you'll be able to see your scenarios over here. Anyways, if you want to create a new scenario, you want to click on the create scenario, top right, and then it's going to take you directly into your scenario. Now, over here, first, you can give it a name in the top left. So we're just going to name this one tutorial right now. And of course, you have these settings as well if you want to enable these as well, okay? Now, whenever you've done that, you of course have your scenario over here, and it's a simple dashboard, and this is where you can start building and creating your scenario. So you want to start by clicking on the plus button over here, and then of course you can put in any of these apps over here. So of course, whatever you want to automate using make.com, you can do in here. So let's say you want to use make.com to add certain rows inside Google Sheets. You could do that. You could just click, for example, on this one, and then over here you can select what you want to do. So let's say you want to add a row. There we go. Then you have to create connections and stuff like that, okay? Now, all of these things have tutorials. When you click on them, it's going to tell you exactly what to do. But if it doesn't, I do have tutorials on my channel as well as other YouTube channels as well for different videos on how to actually achieve these things in case you get stuck, okay? And then essentially you can just start by adding modules or AI modules over here. Keep clicking the plus buttons over here and making your automations, okay? So that's how you do it. And then of course, when you're ready, you can either share it or just run it once or however many times you want, okay? So that's essentially how to create a scenario. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, you can go and watch other videos on my YouTube channel as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.